How much does it cost to move? There's a number of factors that will determine what your cost will be, including how big is your home and how much stuff do you have, how far will you be moving, and how much of the work do you want to do. So at one end of the spectrum, you could rent a truck, do all of the packing and moving yourself. Or maybe round up a few friends, family members, give them some pizza and beer, and for the cost of a truck, $29.95 to $39.95 plus miles, about $1 a mile, plus the pizza and beer, you could be moved. Total cost, maybe $300 to $400. At the other end of the spectrum, if you were hiring someone to come in and pack for you, which could cost $1,000, and you have a 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom house that you're having somebody move everything across the country, that could run you $8,000 to $10,000 or even more. Most people end up moving locally, doing the packing themselves, and then hiring movers to actually carry their belongings from one place to the truck and then from the truck to the next place. Most moving companies will charge you an hourly rate for that, and that can range anywhere from $40 to $60 per mover. So multiply that by the 2 to 3 movers you'll need, and then multiply that by the number of hours it will take to actually move your belongings. Most people's homes can be moved in 3 to 5 hours. The best thing to do is to actually get a moving company or two to come out and give you an estimate. That way you can compare the costs. Be sure to also check reviews and plan ahead if you're planning to move during a busy time of year. That way you'll have the most choices. If you have any other questions about moving or about buying or selling a property, let us know. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California.